Today we are going to install HTML and show you how to start using it. Every websites you use are using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First, make sure you download Visual Studio and save it where you can start download. After you have installed Visual Studio, you first going to open your folder. After you have done that, this will provide to start working in the Visual Studio. You will need to go to extension to download HTML compiler. It will provide you that the Visual Studio will know what code you want to write. Right-click in your folder tab and enter your file name and in the end .html. Write these lines first. This is the head, what is outside the website. You will put here in the future plugins, CSS and fonts. Create a new folder and name it at the end CSS. We are creating a div to showcase how HTML works. Make sure you did Ctrl+S to save. As you can see, you did it. Hope you enhanced your HTML learning. Tell us for the future, what would you like to learn next?